Okay, we're in our basic positioning on defense. We have 3 hitters. Our right side starts on the antenna, our middle starts on the setter with the middle hitter, and our left side starts with the right side hitter. Every player has a primary assignment of a hitter. That's their primary hitter. When the ball's set outside, our middle will try to go help. When it's back set, she would go to the left trying to help. Now when the hitters switch, it's crucial that we make the switch with our blockers and understand what to do on defense. The most common play set is the basic X, which would be our middle hitter comes for a quick set, and our right side hitter comes around and hits a higher tempo set in the middle of the court. What needs to happen in that case is hitters communicate. The left side blocker must yell, switch, cross, X, whatever you determine to be your communication. The left side blocker must call it. We would defend it accordingly. What happens then, come for the 1. Okay, go. Our left side blocker comes in and now has primary responsibility for the quick set. Our middle blocker has primary responsibility for the 2 set. If the 1 set is not set, the left side blocker comes over and both players will block on the 2. Defensively, we would then bring our left back up for the tip short. Our middle back comes over to the corner, and our right back comes to the angle inside the right side person, middle blocker's right side hand, and our left front comes in and down low for the tip. Once again, we've exposed the dead center of the court because we're hoping our middle blocker is able to block that ball or deflect it, or we can chase the ball down. So it would look like this. Crucial that the left side communicates it. Okay, very important that the left side sees it early enough, calls it, and is able to make that move. The most difficult or a more difficult play, sometimes to defend, would be when the middle blocker goes for the slide and our right side hitter hits the 2. Now both blockers must communicate the situation effectively, or there's going to be a mix-up in the blocking assignment, which shatters our team defense. In this case, the middle blocker must see the girl going behind and must yell cross, cross, cross. The left side must see that her player is going inside and yelling cross, 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 and they both know that they switch their primary assignments. Go, go. Now we would make sure here. Now, if the ball is not set to the 2, the middle blocker must immediately come back and try to block so we get 2 people up. Go back. If the ball is not set on the slide, the left side must try to make that move over here. Very difficult to defend with 2 blockers if it's done correctly. Our defense then would react according to the set. So if we make that cross, go ahead back, and we're going to now set the slide, we would react defending it in this manner. Go. Okay. If we ran the play and they set the 2, it would look like this. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work as it's drawn up. Oftentimes, the play is too quick where the middle blocker cannot get back out, or the left front can't get in on the 2. If it was the 2, and we had 1 blocker and the middle got stuck, our left front would try to get in, but if she couldn't, she would drop off and just pick this short ball up. Our left back would stay a little bit deeper, and we would try to defend it against 1 blocker. The same would be true against the slide. If it was too quick and the middle got faked out, she would then try to just get over and get the tip, and we would defend everything else the same way we normally did. The next switch, we saw a little bit of when the left side blocker comes in. Now the switch would be when the middle player hit a 3-set, of which we would defend like this to begin with. She would come with her, go. If we see the ball set, our right front would come off and block and come off and get the tip if she wasn't able to get over and help block. Our right back would stay about where she is in base position and be ready. Our middle back would stay deep. Our left back would stay in her base position. And our left front would try to take one big step and try to get on defense. That would be versus a 3-set. Back to base. Now, when the left side blocker, we saw what happened when the left side blocker hit an inside set. Now, when the inside blocker comes inside the 2, we need to cross our assignments. Middle blocker goes for a 3. Now, stop. Crucial element here. The right side blocker must yell inside, inside when she sees her coming in, and cross, cross when she sees that it's a cross. Of which case, if the left side came in, we would yell cross. She now would pick her up as her primary assignment. She would have her as the left side hitter now would become the middle's primary assignment, and we would have at least one person covering every play. If the ball was set higher on the 2, our right side would continue in and block the 2. Our right back would come up automatically for the tip. Our middle back would balance the court to the corner. Our left back would back up, and our left front would come here for the tip. So it would work like this. And the same concept would work if the left side came all the way back to hit a back set or hit the slide. So if we had only 2 hitters, our hitter hit a 3 out of the middle, and our left side came all the way around, it would be a cross, and both zones would be crossed, so both players need to communicate it. First, the right side would call inside, see the cross coming. The middle would then see the cross coming and call it, and our left front would then kick back out to block that. Okay, crucial that everybody recognizes what's going on. The higher speed offense you face, the more crucial it becomes everybody communicates and is ready and well prepared for it. The next situation that we haven't covered is a switch or a cross when the setter is in the front row. We need to be able to defend the setter attacking from the front row. So Jenny, you be the setter here. You're the middle. We would start our left side blocker versus 2 hitters in on the setter. We start in tight. The first responsibility of the left side blocker is to block the ball that's tossed up tight to the net. The middle blocker needs to not worry about the setter, but worry about the hitter when the middle hitter is in front of the setter. The right front basically has her same responsibilities either way. If the hitter goes over, she stays with the setter. If the ball's not tight, set outside, or the quickest set, she's coming in, getting down low, and covering, playing defense. Now, when the hitter goes behind the setter, as soon as she makes a move, this middle must call cross, 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 and communicate to the left side blocker that she now does not have the setter. Our middle now has the setter, and the left side will kick out and defend against the hit. So you see, if the setter jumps, the middle is stuck with her if it's a tight ball. If not, she's going to kick off, kick out. So Rich, you're going to dump toss. You can either dump it or set her. Or the, yeah, yeah. Okay, now go in front, hit her one, and then you block with the ring. Okay, so you can see if both players communicate, we always have a minimum of one blocker, always striving for two blockers up on any attack. The court's balanced, players are down and set, and we can react defensively to any situation that gets thrown at us. In summary, the biggest thing on defense is to be in the right spot, be able to make the play, especially all the easy plays, transition and be able to score points, and make the other team make the errors and not your team. I hope this helps, and good luck.